Bad lip sync ruins everything. You've probably seen videos where the lips move out of time with the voice. It looks robotic, fake, and honestly distracting. Today, we continue our journey to find affordable lip syncing tools that are worth it. Find links to everything mentioned as well as a playlist of all our lip sync tutorials in the description box. So, the website we will test today is LipSync.Video. It's an AI-powered tool that claims to create accurate, high-quality lip sync. Unlike other platforms that try to do everything, LipSync focuses purely on making lips match speech or music with precision. You can use it to bring still images to life as talking avatars, dub your content into different languages while keeping natural mouth movements, or even sync music performances for creative projects. Click the link in the description box and it will bring you to this page. If you hover over this drop-down menu, you can see all their tools. They have AI lip sync, talking photos, baby podcasts, cartoon lip sync, pet lip sync, and so on. You don't even have to sign in. They'll give you 100 credits and you can start creating. You also get 500 credits daily if you sign in. I truly appreciate websites that offer a free trial as you get to decide if their software is worth it before investing. Let's start with AI lip sync. I'll choose one of their video templates here and simply upload my own audio. To create the audio, I will use 11 Labs. I'll simply paste a few lines here and use my voice clone to generate an audio. Let's head back to LipSync.Video, upload our audio, and generate. I was made with AI. We all know that bad lip sync ruins everything. You've probably seen videos where the lips move out of time with the voice. It looks robotic, fake, and honestly distracting. Honestly, I don't like the quality of the output, so I'll try it out with a photo and see. I'll add my image here and upload the same audio before generating. Let's see the output we get. I was made with AI. We all know that bad lip sync ruins everything. You've probably seen videos where the lips move out of. As you can see, the movements look a bit robotic, and truth be told, the words don't even perfectly match up with the mouth movements. Perhaps I tend to have high standards for lip syncing tools, especially since I've used high quality ones like Kling and Vio. I don't think the quality is worth investing money in. I was going to try all their tools, but I truly don't think it's necessary. You can tell from these two outputs the kind of quality you will get from the website. I did mess around with the baby podcast section. These baby podcast videos are quite popular, especially on TikTok.
So far, it looks like the website is in beta and you can use it for free. Unless they improve the quality of their video output, I truly don't think it's worth it. Play around with it and let me know what you think.
All in all, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what are your thoughts on LipSync.Video and what other softwares should I try. I'll leave the link to try it out in the description. Go ahead and give it a spin.